Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. Hope you guys are having an awesome weekend and day. Today is actually before July 4th. So we're going to go out today, have a little bit of fun in a city that we don't go to very much. So this is going to be a pretty awesome night. We're going to get to see some new cars we've never got to see before on the channel. We've kind of featured them in a couple of car shows, but never went out with them. So we have an F150 twin turbo, 4-wheel drive, you know, your normal 5-liter short cab, single cab, you know, short bed. We're also going to be going out with a few Mclarens tonight, 720S. So this should be a pretty interesting night, to say the least. But we're going to see how the scene is in the northern Indiana, you know, sector. They're having a pretty big meet tonight. Maybe do some racing. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But hopefully this will turn out to be a pretty good night. I'm already up here. We're going to see what this scene is all about. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and we're going to be doing this more often every single week.
Look what the cat dragged in. What are you fuckers in Fort Wayne, bro? Everywhere. This is crazy.
About 300, maybe 344.
Is that a P1, D1?
P1, just the baby.
Is it stock motor?
800 plus.
Oh, so you did pistons, everything?
Pistons, rods, heads cam intake.
8-speed?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna race him?
Yeah, that's why I see why he's out. I'm gonna go at you from like wherever into. I'm gonna try to dual drive, see what it does.
What was that 2-wheel drive, that video? You're good for my 40. I'll just heat mine up in first real quick.
Is it a 20-inch front runner?
Yeah, 20 by 8.
That looks good, bro.
Thanks, man.
That thing was, I think, shot
We went 577 last year on 20s.
Oh wow, same setup.
Yeah, it's a little situation with the ethanol content. It's not all the way happy unless it's right at like E50 to E55. So basically, long story short, I just did a 590 on Sunday on the drag pad, but it was at E46, so I'm missing like 3-4 degrees timing.
Okay.
So
because ethanol's down.
correct. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a little splash. Hopefully she's good.
I can yell really loud.
Nice, I'll take it.
Well, it just started raining in the middle of this. It was a good run until the rain happened. I thought it was bugs hitting my arm, man. That was the race of the year, man. Till the rain came. Dude, that was awesome, man. Sorry about all the water. We just got downpoured on. Damn, this thing's nice. What? Look at here.
I don't know why everyone's around.
I don't either.
There's loads of things.
Now we're good.
You want a 50 or a 40?
50 or 40? 40. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Tune downpipe. E85.
Nope.
93.
Yes, sir.
Runs good.
Yeah.
Runs.
It's not out in it, man.
Oh really?
Yeah. I've had it stock for a year.